Hi everyone, I'm Debbie from DD the Crafty Card Maker. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. If you enjoy this video that's coming up, I'd love for you to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so today's card is a pretty quick one really. We're going to do some ink smushing. So I've got broken china, wilted violet, some watercolour card that is 4 1/4 by 5 1/4, piece of acetate and a spray bottle. Now what I want to do is spray one side, and I don't want it soaking, just wet. Okay, I'm gonna bring in some colour onto your acetate. And then we're going to lightly just mist it. Bring your card over and we're going to just place it down where you want it, and don't worry, we're going to come back in and do it again if you're not happy with the colour. Okay, so I'm just going to dry that. Now I need purple up there, some more blue here. So I'm going to put the purple at the top and the blue down there. Lightly mist again, and the same with your acetate. Oops. Hard to pick up off my desk. And we're going to do exactly the same again, just where you think you want your colour. I want that a bit more. That's it, spreading better now. Literally just choose two colours and put it down where you want. Okay. I seem to be picking messy messy videos just lately. Okay, so we're done with that section. So that's it. Easy peasy. Now I've got some shimmer sprays that I've mixed. This one is Sheer Shimmer Craft Spray Frost by Imagine, and this one I made up myself with Perfect Pearls and some mica powder. I think that's going to be a bit much, so I'm going to go with this one. Now you can use just your Perfect Pearls mixed with some water, which is what we've done in the past. I'm going to just put some shimmer on. And again, you don't have to do this, just I think it adds that little extra. Okay, so let's leave that over there to dry a sec. I got out again using my stash and something, I don't know where they've come from, some little dragonflies. So what I thought we'd do is grab some vellum cut them out of some vellum. Okay, so that's those cut out. Now, it's not quite dry yet. I'm just going to dry this off. That's the panel. I don't think these are going to stand out as I want them to, like so. So we're going to have to put some colour on them. So my plan is to get some lunar paste and some dragon glaze. I may not use that yet, we'll see how we go. Let's get some dragon glaze out first and just spread it out. Oh, it stinks, this stuff. And we're just gonna flutter by down in the dragon glaze. Lift him up and let him dry. And same again with the next one. Lift him up, let him dry. And last but not least, missed a little bit on his head, I can see. Okay, last but not least is this one. Let's get him up. Okay, I'm just going to put my platform on that and let that dry straight. So, with these two, otherwise they're going to be a bit crooked. Not that it matters, but okay. Right, we'll put them to one side. We'll bring our panel back. Grab the stamp platform. And I'm misty today. And stick that in place. Now, I'm thinking of using Gina K Designs, the thank you. Yep, the thank you, which will be nice. Down there. Okay. Just grab my acetate so I can line it up properly. And I want it round about there. Let's pick that up. Specify nocturne. Perfect. Put that away in a little while. Hard blank layer on our card itself, and we'll just layer these up just while those are drying off properly. We need some glue. Let's put these in position. A little bit out there. That's it. Right, let's just give it a squish down, just because it's watercolour card. Let's get our little dragonflies out and see what we can do with them. Hopefully they've not stuck. No. No, they haven't. They're perfect. And the last one. Okay, right. Now we just need to place them. So we want a smaller one at the bottom. No, I want them all going upwards, I think. Very delicate. That's it, beautiful. Right, now I don't want to glue all the wings down, so what I'm going to do is just gently squeeze them up and then push them back again, just so they've got a bit of lift on the card. Right, now we're going to get our glue again. Glue his body down. He needs to come down a bit, doesn't he? That's it. Just there. So his body's down. His wings are loose. Okay. That way it can still go in the post. It's not going to cause any drama. Same again. No. Not in that way. Oops. Not far down enough, is he? Just catching. I'm just going to put some more glue on. Because we moved him. Right there. Lift his wings. And put them down again. And then last but not least is the little fella. That'll give us the drama. I'll bend his wings. And he's gonna go down there. Same again with his wings, and then push them down. Something there, that's it. No, I'm not sure about adding some bling or not. I might. Let's have a look. These are quite nice. Let's have a look. See what they look like first. They're just very fiddly. Might just put a couple down the body. Okay, so we need try this one. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think that finishes him. Whoops. This one will be 1, 2, 3. I think this one up here might need a few more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't think we need any bling anywhere else. I think that's plenty as it is. And there you have it. We're done, guys. What do you reckon? I hope you like it. Very dainty. Also very pretty. Okay. That's me done. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, I'd love if you could give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And happy crafting. And I'll see you next time. Alright guys, take care. Bye.